everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at PTC 2026 in Hawaii. And today I'm joined by the one and only Keith Henderson. He's the CEO of Xtera. I think you've had a lot of projects awarded recently.
Oh, we certainly have. We've had an amazing time. And again, I want to thank all our customers. Our customers have put us in this position of recognition of, technology, delivery, everything that we do. We strive for excellence. So let's talk about TAM1 project first. Fantastic project. As you know, I reported here last year. 7,000 kilometers of cable in the Caribbean. Again, totally disruptive in terms of connectivity, what it's doing for all of those regions. And again, pleased to report that manufacturing is essentially complete on the cable and repeaters, and we're now in a heavy installation phase, which again, it's fantastic for Xtera and for the TAM1 team. What we expect there is we've got some, should we say, follow-on business. There's lots of discussion about branches to other parts of the Caribbean, and then we will be following on with TAM2. So again, it's a continuous production process. We had a major win with a blue chip customer. So this, again, it's a joint venture between Vodafone in the UK and Over Telecom. And this project, again, it's got many special features. It's across the Black Sea. It's over $100 million investment. It actually reconnects the Ukraine. You think of the importance of that globally. So we are super privileged to be part of a project which has so, world significance. I talked about last year that we were penetrating in places like Alaska, which we love because our technology with in terms of long-haul subsea, we can connect communities that previously had no broadband, no education, medicine was harder. So now we've won a second project called FISH with a company called Over Telecom, who are a great team of people. We signed that at the end of December, so that's another project that we will be starting. We'll be starting to roll that out this year. Also, the Quintillion project, which we commenced last year, we now have most of that manufactured, and the loading for the deployment of that in Alaska starts in May. So that's 4 projects, and we have a huge pipeline of other opportunities, and I can guarantee you that that's going to grow as the result of the Prysmian and Fincantieri announcement.
Okay. This is so exciting. I don't know how you do it, guys. I'm so happy for you because you're well deserving. So great news, and I can't wait to see what's happening next year. But actually, that brings me to my final question. You've been so busy in the last 12 months. What can we expect from Xtera in 2026?
I think you can expect further growth, Isabel. I mean, it's been a challenge. We believe we've got a special DNA in Xtera, and that's what's got us to where we are today. So we're very focused on people, skills, personalities when we recruit. We almost doubled the size of the business in the last 18 months, and we will increase again. There will be more R&D investment. We now have 2 manufacturing facilities, and there will be a lot of effort put on to integration, so that the new company can understand what we do and how best we can support them.
Okay. I'm so happy for you guys because you deserve it. You're a great bunch of people. So I can't wait to see the great success you're going to have in 2026 and beyond, of course.
Thanks, Isabel. I think obviously you brought a lot of fantastic marketing to Xtera and during the course of the year. So we thank you for, the support and the role that you've played in our success. Thank you.
It's my great pleasure, Keith. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Isabel.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.